Turning now to 23 ABC's continuing coverage of the homeless crisis. For the last 10 months, we've brought you updates on the Brundage Lane Navigation Center for the homeless. Now there's less than 1 week until the center officially opens. 23 ABC's Bane Froney brings us an inside look at the facility and what resources will be available for the homeless population in Kern County. Bane?
Yes, the Navigation Center will not only be providing meals and beds, but also resources and services for those who are trying to get back on their feet. So now, in the next coming week, this facility will officially be open. It's a celebration that has been in the works since January of 2019. And starting Monday, October 26th, the Brundage Lane Navigation Center will finally be ready to open their doors, providing shelter for the homeless population.
We're not just giving you a meal and a bed. We're going to be focused on placing you or connecting you or creating with you a housing plan.
The Navigation Center will be able to hold up to 150 people, both men and women, in hopes to eventually help people get permanent housing.
Our goal is to get people into the shelter and then out of the shelter as fast as possible.
Timothy Huen, Chief Program Officer for Mercy House, the organization that will be operating the facility, tells 23 ABC that their target length of stay for their residents is 90 days, where they will provide them with job training, mental health, and medical services. He also says that in order to make residents feel more comfortable, they don't have to be alone.
We discovered that if we allow people to come in as a couple, then they would come in, and then we can engage them in services, we can engage them in creating a housing plan, and we can move forward instead of them staying homeless on the streets. It's the same with animals. If you're homeless on the streets and you have a pet, that pet might be your only family.
Huen is hopeful that this new facility will help reduce homeless numbers in Kern County, and Monday is a good first step towards that goal.
Whatever barriers there are between a homeless person and housing, we want to identify those barriers and lower those barriers and then get people connected to housing as fast as possible.
The center will officially open on Monday, October 26th. Now, the center will accept clients through referral forms as well as service providers. For now in Bakersfield, Bane Froney, 23 ABC, connecting you.